yourself. Go, Grampy. Oh, you feed yourself. Here, Nate. Take your spoon. Go, Grampy. Mmm. Yummy, yummy. Take some more. There you go. Eat your dinner. That's a boy. Good boy. He's such a smart boy, feeding himself. Yeah. And then he's having some too. What are we doing? Yeah, but that has to stay on so we don't get it on your clothes. Yeah. And he holds your dish there. Yeah. Good boy. Did we get it on there? Oh, good boy.
You didn't get any.
Here, go like this. Nanny, hold your dish. Okay, there. Good boy. Okay, just hang it. We need to put on our bib, okay? We need to leave this on so it doesn't get on your clothes. Here, let's move. Just a second. There. Okay, now you eat your dinner, okay? Show Mommy what a good eater you are. Okay, there. Hang on. Here you go. Go ahead, you do it yourself. Here we go. There. You do it. Yeah, there. Yeah, yes. Yes, this is yours. And Nanny got some too. You eat yours and I'm eating mine, okay? It's good. Do you like your macaroni and cheese? And Nanny's having some too. All right,